know that people today are very much aware of the social business applications that are coming up, that have already taken the much of their time or much of their life, I would say. The Facebook, the Twitter, or the YouTube, or whatever, all of those are going to be available to people on their desktops as business applications, in such a way that people will become much more connected, and connected always 24/7. So what happens is, any information that is required by anybody from anybody is always made available to those people then and there. So people who are half a world across can share their information with each other with the help of this kind of a cloud environment, and that instantly. So you don't have to worry about people sitting in different branch offices, or who are sitting in the different geographically separated places. What locations? What happens is, this distance between people will now become very, very what do I say? The distance between people will disappear, I would say. Collaboration across geographies will be easier than ever. A particular a file or an image that I want to share with my colleague who is in the US, when I'm sitting in India, can be transferred in a moment, and that person will have access to my file there. And not only that, both of us can work on the same file at a time, whether it's going to be an image file or an office file, a spreadsheet or a document or a presentation. We can work on the same file at a time. Now that's going to be the future of the applications that we will be using. So collaboration across geographies, that's going to be easier than ever. Now, social business applications will rule the behavior of the individuals. And so what happens is the enterprises will make use or take mileage or benefit from the social business applications, and expand their businesses, and also keep their employees connected together in order that they can function better. The productivity, the everyday job productivity of the employees is going to increase manifold because of the network that is going to spread wide across through these special social business applications. So it's going to really benefit the society very much, because people will come closer, and the interaction between people will be much more. Now, talking about the personal life, people today complain about we don't have enough time to interact with people in our families. But then families